Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to box someone in Fortnite. Start by placing a cone above the enemy, aiming right above them. Quickly add walls around the enemy so you can trap in them. If you're fast enough, you can edit a window and trap them, but it's risky since enemies will try to escape when they see the cone. Instead of boxing them directly, you can pre-box one of the surrounding tiles, predict their movement, and complete the box based on where they are trying to escape. This method is usually employed when an opponent is a 1-on-1 box. You'll want to place stairs or cones to block their exit paths. Pre-box from above is by placing a cone, floor, and walls around the enemy. This is effective when the enemy is forced to exit from their box and you trap them before they realize it. It's important to commit to the box quickly and aim at the areas they are most likely to escape from. While executing these techniques, maintaining a good mechanics, positioning, and right-hand peek are key. Try to keep your edits quick and secure to avoid getting hit during the process. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.